This is the latest iteration of my Excel2Web project, Suriouc it's called. Funny name, I know. At the moment I have no projects, aka websites, so I'm going to add one. And it's gonna be called Ares, because why not? Now I'm going to analyze the Excel file, and I want to have a web page with this sheet on. So I also want the date to be in UK format whenever displayed. These numbers are floats because they have a decimal number. Yep, let's import this. Lovely. Now let's go to the designer. I'm gonna select project, Ares, or the header. That's the sheet I want to create views from. So what I want to do is have a web page with a search button that will give me some information. So I'm gonna choose the order number as a key in this view, and I want to see what's the customer ID, the status, shipping without VAT, and price without VAT. Okay, and what I'm gonna type here is I need some sort of description for this view. So let's go with order, order header. That's the actual right description for it, via order number key. Okay, that looks good to me. I'm gonna save that. Beautiful. Next, going to the last one, the builder. I need to refresh it first. Lovely. Project Ares. We have something created here, and this is the view I've just created, ID 21. Now this is obviously not done yet, but it's getting there. This is the last bit I need to actually work on, and it will probably be done soon. So picture you have a little layout builder here, and you'll be able to split the web page into two, and in one of, let's say, the left half will get the order header via order number. So what you'll have in total is a search bar at the top for your order number. Then below you'll have a view I just created with the general order information like customer, enter date, dispatch date, that kind of stuff. Now I want something on the right as well, so I need to get back to the importer and get myself maybe the order details. So yes, I will be getting all of them, and integer, again, float. This one actually is, as you can see, has an order number as well as one of the fields. This one is the details of the order, with the products that have been sold, how many orders have been, how many of them have been actually ordered, the order quantity, how many were dispatched, what's the price of each line, and the shipment cost. So I'm gonna add that. Now go to the designer again, find Ares, order details, and again the key that will be used to retrieve data will be the order number, so I'm selecting that as a key, and I don't need customer ID, I already have that. All I want is a product code, order quantity, dispatch quantity, line price, and shipment cost. Yeah, why not? And here we'll have order details via order number key. If I could spell, would be good. So I'm gonna save this view. Beautiful. And now go back to the builder. Again, refresh the page, go to Ares, order details. Remember the page that we have the order header already and the search bar at the top. Order details. And now this will show you all the products again that are in this order. So again, on the left you'll have a table with all the details about the order, general ones, and on the right you'll have more detailed information about that particular order, with the products, with the quantities of them ordered, how many dispatched, and cost of individual line. So hopefully this made some sense. I know it's not done yet, but this should be quite cool. I had to redo quite a few things here to make this possible, so we could manage 30, 50 projects, as in web pages on one computer that are all taking data from 50 Excel sheets, for instance. So you could build that for different departments, and I have a few ideas where this could go. But anyway, hopefully you got the general gist of what's happening, and in case you're thinking I'm bluffing that this is not actually importing a file, yeah, see, it's actually looking for a file. So yeah, I'm just rambling now. Alright, thanks for watching, and good night.